Okay. Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I just got a package from SpeedCubeShop. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'll show you what's in here, but I'm going to start with what the title of this video is. Quite a few things. Rubik's Speed 2x2. Curious what that is like, so we'll check that out later. The calendar 4x4. I have a calendar 3x3, but this one seems a little bit more challenging. So excited to start adding that one in. Then we have each version of the, oh, I might be missing one, of the Moyu 4x4 and 96 magnet, 160 magnet, or maybe I do have all of them. I think I do. I have the double track, single track, I have the double track already somewhere. Need to find it. Triple track. I want to check how much of a difference there is. So I'm going to do a video on that. Then we have the Z-Cube More Try. Did they merge? I'm not quite sure what's going on with that one. And lastly, the MGC3 Beta. And we have 3 versions of that. I'm excited about this. I haven't had a YJ Cube in a while. I think I kind of just skipped the last one because, I don't know, I don't like making videos where I'm like, well, this is a dud. But I should still make videos talking about things, and it's hard to really tell unless I actually try them. So I should actually try them. So let's start with this. We get a card. So this is probably the magnetic version. The full magnets UV coated and then maglev UV coated. So the difference.
Okay, so we have nylon no magnets, 8 magnet full direction. So that's just the core. Okay, I should read the core. Compression, we have dual adjustment, maglev dual adjustment. And then we have edge feet, double feet, magnetic repulsion, double feet, corner feet, no magnets. So core magnets. The full magnet is core. And magnet positioning, 2688, UV coated frosted. Graphite washer.
Okay, so really it's their standard version, the magnetic core and the magnetic core with maglev. There we go. What's in the box? A very compact screwdriver, which is fine. I have so many of the giant blue ones. Also, these are all available right now at SpeedCubeShop. Link in the description. You can get them. Click the description. It might be in the bottom part of the corner of this video. So much trash with all of this. I will recycle the boxes, though. So maybe I should just start keeping the boxes. Okay, definitely can tell the UV coated here. I'm going to go right into turns. A little bit loose. These are just stronger already. Interesting. The color of these corners are different than these ones, but they're the same on both, so maybe that's just an indicator. Actually, wow. Well, lost control a bit. Let me fix my camera. Back it up just a little bit. Surprised. I'm surprised by this so far. It's a little loose, but very, like it really wants to flex out and back. Squared off center pieces. You can see that little notch right there. I don't know how to do this cross well. It's too fast. Jeez. There we go. Yeah. Gotta slow it down for sure. But, wow. Okay. What's the weight of these? Standard version, 72.5. Core magnetized, 76. Maglev, 79. Not a huge difference of each. And size, 55.5. A little more than 55.5, 55.8. I wonder what the reasoning is for these sort of caps. Maybe they stay on better because there's not pressure of air when you push it down, but I'm not sure. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, is there a tool to adjust this? Little, like, silicone washers? And can I adjust this by hand? 9-level compression. As the numbers get bigger, the compression gets stronger. When the compression is at level 1, the convex structure of the adjustment ring is aligned with the convex of the centerpiece. Looks like I can do it by hand. So which way? Can I go both directions? No. Counterclockwise. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that's at 1 again. Is it? Or is it 9? It's at 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Okay. There are 12-piece repulsion edge feet accessories in the... Is this different then? Well, first off, tighter tensions. It's more controllable for sure. Come on, get on there. This is surprising. It's super fluid. I was going to say smooth, but it kind of has a scratchy feel to it. I really like this. Okay, what is going on here? So if I take this edge out, it says with pliers. Do I need pliers? No, I can just pull that out. So if you don't want the edge magnets, which is a hotly debated thing, some people really don't like edge magnets. I mean, I guess this could go in without it, but for that extra torpedo, wow, haven't used that term in a while, you can just swap it out. So these extra ones just swap out there. What are the washers for? The only thing I can think of is this is my theory, and then I'm going to look it up, that if you add the washer, the spring's going to be a little extra compressed, so it's like having tighter springs possible. What is this? So we have the MGC Beta washers? Okay, I see nothing online about this. They're not like a magnetic thing. They just look like really thin washers. There's nothing in the notes about it, nothing in the setup tutorial, or the Sir Up tutorial. There's a misprint there. Yeah, these are just really thin, flexible washers. So my assumption is to add a little extra spring compression. Do you have any idea? Let me know, because I'm lost. They're in here as well. I'm going to add some lubrication, and then I'm going to set up them all the same. Do a few sols in each. Added quite a bit of lubrication. Still feels kind of scratchy. Should change that alg. I like this a lot. That might be a little bit too tight a spring compression. Some very clear spring noise. On a side note, while I am finishing this, SpeedCubeShop standard model, $15.95, core magnets UV, $21.95, maglev, $24.95. So pretty decent price for a, top level puzzle. Flagship puzzle, I guess, if you will. Yeah. So I would say, okay. Let me set these up. Do these other ones. Or at least I'm going to lubricate the standard and then the maglev and see if I can feel much of a difference. So The big thing I can feel with the standard is it feels a little bit more flexible, like it's not completing any turns. Little click at the end where the magnet is. And that matte plastic. The one with the core magnets feels more stable, like it wants to be in shape, and it will, look at that. It wants to complete some turns. Okay, just do a solve on each. Besides being an atrocious solve, it feels so less stable that I kind of lost a bit of that control on it. Oh, shoot, did the wrong OLL. There we go. Yeah, this is nice. I'm not so sure about the scratchy feeling of it. I mean, if you like the feeling of the Hudong, then this might be exactly what you want. This kind of gives a similar feel, but it's not as large feeling. I remember the Hudong was not as large as I thought, but it had more squared off corners, so it had a similar feeling. This is a bit more rounded. Piece size or shape reminds me a bit more of the YS3, where it's not super small, but the rounded feeling of it, the rounded corners, makes it feel compact. So this, honestly, if I was going to compare this to any puzzle, I feel like the YS3, the newest one, whatever they're calling it now, gives me that feeling. As far as tensions go, that's about as far as I can pull that apart. Corner cuts beyond 45. Old people here. Do you remember when we talked about corner cutting as a line to line? Now it won't even stay that way without wanting to go back. Ah, those were the days. Make so many mistakes now that I'm trying to turn faster. I absolutely love this puzzle. I wish it was a little smoother. I don't know what... I think it just might be that texture that's there. I mean, that's smooth there. Maybe I'll use it a bit more. There is spring noise for the spring version. Add a drop of lubrication in there, probably go away completely. So, not a huge deal breaker, but just know, and if you don't have lubrication, you need to add that. If someone can tell me what these washers are for, I'm assuming it's for extra spring compression, because a little fraction of a millimeter can do a huge difference. But let me know. Let me know if you have an idea, if someone has said something, because I can't find it online. If I was going to use this, I'd use the maglev. Yeah, this is in my top tier of puzzles right now. It's really weird. MGC was like, everyone was using it for 4x4, 5x4, 6x6, 7x7. It was just the one to use. For some reason, they just have not gotten through in that 3x3 market. And they're trying stuff that's different. And maybe that's it. Like, those holes. I don't know why they're there. They look interesting. Maybe they help with not having some air compression when you close it. But I don't know. And people just don't give it a go and don't try it. But for a UV coated, core magnetized, what does it say, 96 magnets, 88 magnets, for 88 magnets and having a puzzle that performs this well for 25 bucks, it's in that top tier, if not A tier for that. So pick it up, check it out. SpeedCubeShop. Standard's not bad. I like that stability of this one. I would definitely recommend that. So thank you very much for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.